I'm very happy to be with you, especially this is a very important forum, IGF. Future is for technology, for information technology. IGF is very, very crucial. I am coming from Delhi. Morning, they requested me to address Indian ambassadors and also high commissioners who are all working in different countries. They are all in Delhi. This is the 6th or 7th conference. Now if you see anywhere in the world, everybody is talking about India now. If you go through history also, originally 1947 to 1991, single party domination, but economy-wise, everywhere all over the world, people used to heckle us by saying Hindu development, Hindu growth rate. 1991, the then Prime Minister, Mr. P.V. Narasimha Rao, has adopted economic reforms because of critical financial conditions. From then onwards, India got recognition. You are all aware, 94 I became Chief Minister. I started second generation reforms. For that one example I am giving you where we are sitting here. At the time it is a barren land. Then I thought how to develop. Even high-tech city is a dead end. We had a Jubilee Hills. After that there is no road, proper road. Then naturally 94, 95 I had different meetings. How to go about, how to develop Andhra Pradesh, that was my main agenda. Then by seeing all over the world, I consider information technology is one area where India is going to have a bright future. For that also there are reasons. One is Indians are very strong in mathematics. Thanks to British people, they have taken everything, they left English to us. That is the biggest contribution they had done. If you see tomorrow for India, English-speaking people will be the maximum number in India, not in America. We are all thinking America will have maximum English-speaking people. Because of size of population for India, maximum English-speaking people will be in India. That was a deadly combination. Then I created first, like this, we had so many brainstorming sessions. Finally, I conceived iTech City. Then through L&T, I started that work. Within 15 days, 15 months, we are able to construct a high-tech tower. After that, I moved all over the world. 15 days I spent in America. They are very strong at that time. Then ultimately, I was able to convince even Bill Gates. First development center after Seattle has come to Hyderabad, that is in Cyberabad city. That is how it has come.